The quiet quail. Quincy one quiet quail. He like to do quiet things. Quincy love to snuggle up with his favorite quilt and listen to the pitter patter of the rain. Quincy love to sit down and quietly read. Quincy like to take quiet walks. Sometimes for him quiet walk them, Quincy buck up on him friend Datty Duck. Datty is not so quiet at all. In fact, Datty quiet loud and boisterous. Quack, quack, quack. Want him, Quincy? Quack, quack, quack. Shout Datty. Want him, Datty? Whisper the quiet quail. Quincy and Datty sit down in a park. Quack, 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 quack. Bawl out Datty. What a beautiful day today. Quack, quack, quack. Datty quack and quack till Quincy head start at him. Datty, why you no keep quiet with the quacking? Say Quincy. But Datty a quack so loud, she no even hear the quiet quail. Quincy decides say him a go swim, so he can drown out the whole heap of quacking by Datty. He spread out him quilt in the grass, and he dive in a pan. Suddenly, Queenie the dog walked by. She grab up Quincy quilt and run off with it. "Whoa, me quilt!" cry out Quincy. "Smarty, stop Queenie!" But Quincy so quiet, nobody no hear him. Queenie run right past Datty. But wait, that a Quincy quilt, quack Datty. "Catch Queenie! Quick, quick!" The other animal then hear Datty loud quacking, then start chase after Queenie. Queenie did quick, but the other animal them, then quicker, then grab out Quincy quilt from out of Queenie teeth them, then give the quilt back to Quincy. Quincy thank all of the animal them for get back her quilt, especially Datty. "Feel loud quacking save the day," Quincy tell Datty. And for once, the quiet quail did happy for have such a nice friend.